What's up guys, it's Andrew from 4Runner Customs, and today we're going to be going over how to assemble the TRD Pro 4Runner grill for your 4th gen 4Runner. It's a pretty easy install. All you really have to do is attach the Toyota insert and then snap in the lights. And the only tool you're going to be needing for this is a Phillips head screwdriver, and then you get the 4 shorter screws that come with the grill insert in the box. So first you want to flip the grill over and then take your Toyota insert, flip that over, and what you're going to do is drop it right in the pre-cut notches, and it should just slide right in very easily. Next you're going to want to take those 4 smaller screws and put them in the 4 holes on the back of the insert. So this is where you take your Phillips head and you just screw them right in, just like so. So once you've done that, you're pretty much done with the screwdriver, so you just flip the grill back over. So now the only thing left to do is to install the 3 amber Raptor lights. And these lights will pop into any full hexagon shape on the front of the grill. I'm pointing to some of them right now, but it will really fit into any, like I said, full hexagon, top or bottom. And I decided to put mine on the top, so for the first one, I'm just going to snap it into the top middle, and all you do is just push it and it should snap in. You should hear the click. And then for my next one, I'm going to leave a space and then do one over to the left. So I just put the cord through, push it down, and it snaps into place. And then I take my last light and I move it over to the right, and I once again just push it through and snap it in. And once you got your lights snapped where you want them, you're ready for installation.